Hi everyone, welcome back to our Excel beginner series part 3. In this part, we will learn how to organize data with Excel tables. So without any further ado, let's start our tutorial. In the previous video, we created Ethan's sales tracker, typed in some column headers and entered his very first customer sale. But as Ethan keeps selling more cookies, his list will grow longer and longer. Without good organization, it will quickly become messy. So, this is where Excel table comes in. First, let's enter a few more sales records into our sheet so we will have some data to work with. I will quickly add some customer names, emails, number of boxes and payment modes. Now select any cell inside this data, then go to the Insert tab and click Table, or use the shortcut Ctrl T. A small box will pop up asking if your data has header. Since we already typed column header, so just leave it checked and click OK. And there you go. Excel instantly formats the data into a proper table. Okay, let's see the benefits of Excel table. First, each row now looks cleaner with alternating colors. The header row gets special formatting. And the best of all, each column has a little filter button. For example, if Ethan's manager wants to know, show me only the cash payments, Ethan can just click the filter on the payment mode column, choose cash, and instantly see only those customers. At the bottom, the status bar will even show him how many records make the filter and the total amount collected in cash. Pretty neat, right? And here's another bonus. As you add more rows of data, the table will automatically expand to include them, keeping your formatting consistent. So now Ethan has a neat professional sales tracker that grows with his data. In the next part, we will learn how to format numbers, apply currency, and sort the sales by amount to see who the top customers are. See you in the next part. Have a great day. Bye.